How to change password to 4 digits on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Now, scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here again. On this page, before entering your new passcode, tap on Passcode options below. Select 4-digit numeric code from here. Then, enter your new passcode. Note that for the next 72 hours, you can use your previous passcode to reset your new passcode if you forget it. Following these steps, you can easily change password to 4 digits on iPhone.